morning. Beautiful day today. We're not taking the kids to back home today, as we may have said. Keep them for another week. Just almost finishing my breakfast. A lot of work to do today. Let's install some accessories to the bathroom this morning. I bought this drill. I'm not sure if it's going to do the job or what, so we're going to try it. I got some other type, like a bronze type. This look a carbide or something. Let's have a look. We can only try. Mimi, you agree? I think this 8mm drill should work for this one. That could be too big, but if it doesn't fit, I will resize with that. That can do glass as well. Oh yeah, this cut like butter. Wow. That wouldn't hold it. No way. Okay, one done. Next job. This fits, so I'm still going to put the green dowel much stronger. Yeah, close the door, my love. Good girl. So good. Woo. I think I need a hammer. Next, pepper roll holder. No.
Wasan ang bata ko.
Ow! You cut your fingers after, huh?
No. Can't. I need my hands. Complete.
I'm not all the holies.
No.
If I grab one, yeah, the other one should come in. That's it. Okay, that'll do. Lunch ready. Chicken
Manok mo na.
with lentil. No, what's it called? The little thing?
Mongo.
Mongo. Okay,
Mongo beans.
good. That's it. We got some fried chicken there.
Thank you.
Maybe not for me. I don't know.
It's the chicken.
They look nice. Okay, that's it. That shell was really a challenge. Terrible. Anyway, it's there now. I know Jem will put things in there. Put perfume, toothbrush, whatever, so it's good. Okay, let's see, the bathroom is finished. I know, could have put things a different way, but that's how everything fits. Mirror could have gone 45 degree, maybe. But okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything here for a while. It's all okay to use. Enjoying dinner. Everybody finished already 1 hour ago. What's up, my love? You finished eating?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wash your hand in the glass.
Okay. Okay, everybody finished dining. Oh, Mimi, where have you been? Okay, I'm happy all the accessories been installed in the bathroom. That shell was really a challenge. Just terrible. You have to have 4 holes, drill perfectly aligned, and I didn't do that well, but it was okay. It was okay. You know, when you put the drill on the tile, it's just wander away. So not easy, but it's okay. Yeah, my love, you here with daddy? Yeah. Uncle up there. I don't know what he's doing, but anyway, I know Jem will do the rest now. Decoration, painting, something nice. Don't know when, but she will do. I know she will do. Need to buy new towels. We got old towels. Sick of it, so we gotta buy a new one. That's it. Bathroom considered finished. Okay, and the kids are going back home tomorrow. We take them back home. Parents, Jen's parents want them back. The tall one, uncle, he needs to work. He needs to help. Jem's father is a strong boy now, so yeah, it's okay. But they don't want to go home. That's the news. They want to stay here forever. Maybe not. Okay. Yeah, it's late at night now, so but anyway, we finish the day. Tomorrow we should head to the mountain, weather permitting. So anyway, that's it for today. So thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.